Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, today we are going to learn about nouns. Nouns. Nouns is a name of persons, places, animal or things which you can see your surroundings that all have name. That is called nouns. आप अपने चारों ओर जो भी चीज़ें देखते हो, चाहे वो पर्सन हो, प्लेस हो, एनिमल हो, थिंग हो, सभी की कुछ ना कुछ नाम है. सो दैट इज नाउन. तो वो क्या है? नाउन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऋत्विक, रितिका, पार्क, स्कूल, टाइगर, डॉग, पेन, टेबल. Look here. Ritvik and Ritika. These are names of persons. These are names of person. Ritvik and Ritika. Now, park and school. These are names of places. ये किसके नेम है? Places. Tiger, dog. These are names of animals. Pen, table. These are names of things. You can take other examples also. You can take your name, your father's name, your mother's name. These all are noun. Just we can take other example of places, country, city, any country name, any city's name, your house, your park, school. These all are places. Now things. Things. Table, chair, bicycle, blackboard is also things. Pen, pencil, scissors, fan, television. These all are things. So everything have name. So these are called nouns. सभी के कुछ ना कुछ नाम है, इसलिए उसको nouns कहेंगे. Now there are different types of nouns. Now we will learn about types of nouns. अब हम types of nouns के बारे में learn करेंगे. There are different types of nouns. First, proper noun. Second is common noun. Third is collective noun. Fourth, concrete noun. And fifth is abstract noun. There are different types of nouns. But you have to read only two types of noun. Proper noun and common noun. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स आपको केवल प्रॉपर नाउन और कॉमन नाउन के बारे में जानना है. सो व्हाट इज प्रॉपर नाउन? प्रॉपर नाउन, नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ, नॉट नेम ऑफ, a particular name of person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. Particular name, or you can say exact name. If a person, place, animal or thing have an exact name, have a particular name, so that is called proper noun. For example, I'm taking example of a boy. Boy. Boy is not proper noun because it's a general name. Boy is not a proper noun because it's a general name. But if the boy name is given, अगर boy का नाम दिया हुआ है, for example your name, Lakshya. If the boy name is given here Lakshya, so Lakshya is proper noun. Same in the way place's name. School. School is not proper noun. But we talk about Rawat Public School, our school name, Rawat Public School, because school name is given here, Rawat Public School. I study in Rawat Public School. So, Rawat Public School is proper noun because the school name is given here. Just example, animals, dog, dog name is not given here. Dog का name जो है यहाँ नहीं दिया हुआ है. But if we say I have a pet and its name is Moti, or you can say Seru, any other name you can say. I have a pet and its name is Seru or Moti, then Sheru or Moti is proper noun because your pet name is given here, क्योंकि pet का name दिया हुआ है. For just example, in which country do you live? In which country do you live? Country name is not given here. If we say I live in India, so my country name is India. India is a proper noun. So what is proper noun? The particular name of person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. One example I am giving also. You use pencil for writing. आप लिखने के लिए पेंसिल का यूज़ करते हो. There are different types of pencil. Apsara pencil, Dom's pencil, Natraj pencil, whatever. So if we say I use Apsara pencil to writing, I use Apsara pencil to writing. So Apsara pencil, or you can say Dom's pencil, you can also say Natraj pencil. So that is proper noun. Getting students? Now next, common noun. General name of person, place, animal or thing. General name. There are a little bit different between proper noun and common noun. Proper noun और common noun के बीच में बहुत थोड़ी सी different है. What is the different? Particular name is given here. If the particular name is given here, that is proper noun. But the general name is given, then that is common noun. For example, boy, girl, doctor, milkman, tiger, dog, country, city, month, day. These all are common noun. Why? Because particular name is not given here. Day. Day is common noun. But if you talk about Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then that is proper noun. अगर day का name दिया हुआ है, if day is name mentioned, then that is proper noun. But if day name is not mentioned, then that is common noun. So that is the difference between proper noun and common noun. Proper noun, exact name of person, place, animal or thing, and common noun, general name of person, place, animal or thing. We will learn more about proper noun and common noun through an example. So let's see. Here I have written 3 sentences. मैंने यहाँ 3 sentences लिखे हैं. I have written 3 sentences. So what we have to do? Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun. Few minutes earlier, we have learnt about proper noun and common noun. So we have to circle the proper noun and underline the common nouns. One thing is also a very most important. The most important thing is proper noun always begin with capital letter. Proper noun always begin with capital letter. So how you identify that is proper noun or that is common noun? If the word written in capital letter, so that is proper noun. So let's start. This guitar has 9 strings. It belongs to Mr. Ajay. So let's see here. Guitar. Guitar is a thing. Guitar is a thing. So this is common noun. So what we have to do? Underline the common noun. It belongs to Mr. Ajay. Mr. Ajay is a name of person. Mr. Ajay is a name of person and it also start with capital letter. So this is common noun or proper noun? Yes, proper noun. So we have to circle proper noun. Now second sentence. I know Mitali. She is a nice girl. Mitali. Mitali is a name of girl. And what I told to you, if the person name is given here, the particular name is given, then that is proper noun. So Mitali is proper noun and girl is common noun. Next, my pet birds are singing. Their names are Chippy and Burpy. So what are the names of birds? The name of birds are Chippy and Burpy. And it's also start with capital letter. So Chippy and Burpy are proper noun and birds are common noun. Once again, let you see. Guitar is common noun and Mr. Ajay is proper noun. Mr. Ajay is proper noun because the name of a particular name of person. Mitali. Mitali is a particular name of a girl. So Mitali is proper noun and girl is common noun. Now Chirpy and Burpy. Chirpy and Burpy are the name of birds. So these are proper noun and birds are common noun. I hope you must understood about proper noun and common noun. Goodbye. Have a nice day.